Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Cross Jotzone journal. And this is the pocket-sized version of the journal. And if you've watched any of my videos before talking about journal stuff, you probably know that I carry a pocket journal with me. Every day carry a pocket journal. And I'm always looking for the best journal. And I thought I had found one I really liked with the Twisby pocket journal, but they discontinued that one. So I figured I'd take a look at this one and see. Now, there's one thing that I already don't like, and it's the width of the journal. The journal part is about 4 inches, and then it gets close to like 4 3/4 inches with the little pen thing on the back. Let's open this thing up. Well, actually, let's see what it says on the outside, and then we'll open it up and take a look. So let's see. Leatherette cover, expandable inner pocket, 100 GSM acid-free paper. Same thing in other languages. 160 line pages and exclusive Jotzone. What is the exclusive Jotzone? Designed and engineered in the United States for... Okay. What's the Jotzone? Black and bright blue lined. I don't know. Well, one thing is it comes with a pen, which is something. I'm kind of picky when it comes to pens and pencils and knives and everything. Let's see. So the pen, actually, it's a fairly solid feeling. Oops, and this little plastic thing's chasing me. It's a fairly solid feeling pen. It's a cross pen. Not bad. Okay, well, that's something. All right. So first, I don't think I like this. I don't like the thing that holds the journals, the elastic piece that holds the journals closed, when it's just at an angle across the bottom. I tend to prefer the moleskin style where it goes all the way around. And you have a plastic holder thing? I guess... I feel like I shouldn't keep this. I feel like the pen just slide in there on its own, like so. Okay, that's fair. So let's see. We'll get rid of all this crap. Maybe we'll get rid of all this crap. Oh, this crap seems to be tangled up with the plastic thing. Oh, that was about to be just a disaster in the making. Alright, so let's see. You got a little pocket thing back here. I prefer the larger ones that can hold more. So let's see. So what's this Jotzone? The paper doesn't feel too bad. Is the Jotzone a thing? I don't know. The pen's not bad, and let's see. Doesn't look like any of the pages are perforated. The front ones? Nope, none of them are perforated. I mean, it doesn't look like a bad little journal, I guess. Ugh, I hate these little things. It doesn't look like a bad little journal, but I don't feel it's going to be replacing anything for me anytime soon. I think this one, I think this one's just too wide. Like the width is too much. For comparison, this is a moleskin. So Yeah, there's a bit. I mean, like it's. I think the difference would be much more noticeable in your pocket. It's a softish cover, which isn't too bad. I think. Okay. I think if you carry your journal in a bag or in your purse or a backpack or whatever, I mean, I think that this would be much more reasonable, I think, for that. And I mean, it's kind of neat. They gave you not a crap pen. I mean, it's not an amazing pen, but it's not a garbage pen either. So, I mean, it's an okay journal. Like I said, much better if you don't carry it in your pocket, but you carry it with you, not in your pocket. I don't know. There are too many little things about it that kind of bug me. So, I don't know. What do y'all think? Those of you that carry journals, do you pocket your journals or do you bag your journals, I guess? If that makes sense. Do you carry them in your pocket or do you carry them in some kind of bag? That makes more sense. Anyway, if you have any comments or suggestions, let me know in the comments. And also, if you do EDC a pocket journal, how do you EDC it? And which one do you carry? Because I'm still looking. I may just suck it up and buy a stack of the TWSBI journals before they're forever gone and just see how long they can last me before I have to switch again. Yeah, anyway. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.